Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about Navy submariners can become better warfighters. Before watching the video, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. With U.S. nuclear submarines likely to face diesel-electric subs in any serious conflict, it would seem essential to compare the vessel's warfighting abilities. Comparing the technical merits of the submarines, hardware, is useful, but the relative competency of the crews, software, cannot be ignored. All officers on U.S. submarines are trained first as nuclear propulsion system engineers, 6 months at Naval Nuclear Propulsion School, followed by 6 months at an operating nuclear prototype. It is widely regarded as the most demanding academic program in the United States. After completion of nuclear training, officers then attend a 12-week submarine officer basic course in submarine operations, navigation, and undersea warfare. To remain in the submarine force, they must complete qualifications as nuclear propulsion chief engineers and must maintain their competency as both nuclear propulsion engineers and warfighters. This results in the officers spending half or more of their time training on nuclear propulsion systems, operations, and casualty response, while the entire crew will spend half, probably more, of their shipboard exercises and propulsion system casualty drills. As you would hope, the U.S. Navy takes the safety of its nuclear systems very seriously. But all this training on nuclear operations and safety detracts from the time available for navigation and warfare training. Operating in the undersea environment is as much an art as a science. Understanding ocean salinity, temperature, bottom contours, sound propagation, sonar operations, weapons settings, combat information systems requires an extremely difficult set of skills and is a full-time job in itself. Any deficiencies in operating in this environment can have severe consequences during peacetime operations and far worse in wartime. How does anyone maintain competence in both nuclear engineering and submarine warfare tactics and navigation? Is maintaining competence an acceptable standard during an actual wartime scenario? I would submit that the U.S. Navy has obtained excellence in nuclear operations and safety, but sacrificed its skills in undersea warfare and navigation. This is an extremely frustrating dilemma for all U.S. submarine officers and contributes greatly to the retention problems of the submarine force. As the U.S. attempts to grow its submarine fleet, it needs to reduce the number of trained personnel leaving the force. Any professional wants to 1. Be adequately compensated for their skills and 2. Good at their job. The Navy is continually addressing the first issue with annual bonuses, but ignoring the latter. It is a rare submarine officer who will tell you they are an excellent nuclear engineer and an excellent warfighter. Given the choice, most would prefer to specialize in one or the other. There are also many outstanding prospective submarine warfare officers that are never given the opportunity because they are not capable of solving a differential equation required by most engineering disciplines. Engineering and undersea warfighting skills are distinctly different. Unencumbered by nuclear propulsion, the crew of a diesel submarine could easily have twice the amount of training in navigation and undersea warfare tactics. In joint exercises, nuke crews have not fared well against their diesel-electric counterparts. This is a significant problem that could easily be addressed. The U.S. Submarine Force is one of the few naval warfighting organizations that operates in this fashion. The UK and French nuclear submarine forces have separate engineering and warfare specialties, as do most other U.S. combat ships, including nuclear-powered aircraft carriers. The engineers take care of the ship's propulsion and other systems. The warfare officers fight the vessel,